we will study a problem on interest on drawings. Okay, so in different situations. So in the previous class, we have studied about the product method. Okay, so in this class, we will be studying with a different adjustment. Okay, so let us see the problem. Himanshu withdrew 2,500 at the end of each month. So at the end of each month, Himanshu ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ 2,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ತಕ್ಕೋತಾನೆ, ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ? 12 months ಅಲ್ಲ. So 2,500 into 12. 2,500 into 12. So we'll get 30,000. So the total amount which he has withdrawn is 30,000. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, the partnership deed provides for charging the interest on drawings at 12% per annum. So the interest should be calculated at 12%. So interest rate on drawings. Okay, interest rate on drawings is 12% per annum. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 12% ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Okay, for the year ending, Himanshu's drawing for the year ending 31st December 2006. So this much details they have given you. Okay, so you need to calculate based on this data. Okay, so this becomes our total product. This becomes our total product, that is 2,500 per month ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೇನಾಯ್ತು 2,500 into 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12 ತಿಂಗಳು 2,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡ, ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ 2,500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೊಂಡ. ಸೊ 12 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತಿ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ is equal to total product into rate into ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್, ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್, ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತಾವಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ ವಿಡ್ರಾಸ್ 2,500 at end of each month. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 5.5 divided by 12. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 5.5 divided by 12. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? TP ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 30,000 ಇದೆ. TP 30,000. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ವಿ ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 12% ಇದೆ. 12 divided by 100 into 5.5 divided by 12. 5.5 divided by 12. End of each month ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು 5.5 divided by 12 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1,650. 1,650 is the interest on drawings of Himanshu. Interest on drawings of Himanshu. So that is 1,650. 1,650. So what we did in this problem, that so 2,500 each month ಗೆ ನಾವು ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಗೊಂಡಾನಂದ್ರೆ, so 2,500 into 12 months ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it will be the total value, the total product, that will be 30,000. So they have given the interest rate, that is 12%. So 12% we have written in a note, given na ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೇವೆ 12% interest rate ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, so formula substitute ಮಾಡೇವೆ. interest on drawings is equal to total product into rate into 5.5 divided by 12. So 5.5 divided by 12 ಯಾಕೋ because situations na previous video alli kuda helidene. So end of each month ittandre you should take 5.5 divided by 2. So 5.5 formula ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ 5.5 divided by 2, 5.5 divided by 12, that is 1650 rupees. Okay, so next problem ನೋಡೋಣ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೋ ಬದಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ how should we calculate? So the formula is same. Okay, the total product will be same, TP is same, into rate is also same, into what is the beginning formula for this, that is 6.5. So 6.5 divided by 12, 6.5 divided by 12. So TP estimate is TP is 30,000. 30,000 into 12% into 6.5 divided by 12. You just substitute the values, you'll get the final answer. The answer will be 1950. 1950. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಹಿಮಾಂಶು ವಿಟ್ರಿವ್ಸ್ 2500 at the end of each month ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದೇ at the beginning of each month ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you can solve, you should take the 6.5 divided by 12. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5.5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 6.5 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಂತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಂತ್ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮಿನನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫರ್ಮ್. They share profits equally. Their monthly drawings are 2000 each. So their monthly drawings, just write the given solution, that is given. So 2000 per month ಅವರು ರೊಕ್ಕ ತಕೊಂಡಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2000 into 12, 24,000. ಸೊ 24,000 12 ಮಂತ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ at 10%. ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 10% ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. 10% per annum. Okay, so calculate interest on Menon's drawings for the year 2006. So they have said you to calculate the Menon's drawings. Menon's the drawings calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು for the year 2006. Assuming that the money is withdrawn, so they have given you certain cases. Okay, so ಆ cases ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ. First one ಏನಿದೆ? Beginning of each month. So if you withdraw 2000 rupees beginning of each month, so what will be the answer? So beginning of each month. So first nodri, first calculation. Okay, under first situation, that is beginning of each month. Beginning of each month. Athwa every month. You can call it as every month. Beginning of every month. Okay, you can write here every month. Beginning of every month. So beginning of every month. So substitute the formula of interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is equal to TP, that is total product, okay, total product into rate into 1 divided by, sorry, so into, if we withdraw the money on the beginning, so what will be the amount? That is 6.5 divided by 12. 6.5 divided by 12. So if we withdraw at the beginning, okay, so what will be the answer? So total product is, so we have calculated total product. Total product we have calculated, that is 2,000 per month. That will be 24,000. So 24,000 into rate is, what is the rate? 10%. So 10 divided by 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. So what will be the final answer? That is 1,300. 1,300. 1,300. So we have calculated the first situation, that is beginning of every month. Okay. Next one, that is, see the second situation. Okay. In the middle of every month. So that is in the middle of every month. Every month. In the middle of every month. Okay. In the middle of every month, that is interest on drawings is equal to, interest on drawings is equal to, same formula, interest on drawings is equal to total product, that is TP, into rate into, so if it is middle of every month, we need to take as 6 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12. If it is middle of every month. Okay. So TP is 24,000. 24,000 into rate is 10% into 6 divided by 12. So the answer will be 1,200. 1,200. In the middle of each month, every month, that is 1,200. See the next situation. See the next situation. See the third situation. At the end of every month. So at the end of every month. Okay. Third situation. End of every month. End of every month. End of every month. So TP into rate into 1 divided by, sorry, TP into rate into end of every month means, so that is 5.5 divided by 12. 5.5 divided by 12. So substitute the value, that is 24,000 into rate is 10% into 5.5 divided by 12. That is 1,100. 1,100 is the answer. 1,100. Okay. So next one, next another, at the beginning of each quarter, at the beginning of each quarter. So at the beginning of each quarter. Beginning of each quarter. Okay. So substitute the values. TP into rate into 1 rate into, so if it is at the beginning of each quarter, okay, so that will be 7.5 divided by 12. So in the previous, I have explained you. In the previous video, I have explained you, if it is at the beginning of each quarter, you should take 7.5 divided by 12. So TP is the 24,000 into rate is, what is the rate? 10%. So 10 divided by 100 into 7.5 divided by 12. The answer will be 1,500. 1,500. Now, in the same situation, the fifth one, okay? So the fifth one, what is that? At the end of each quarter, at the end of each quarter, so how you will substitute the values? So same formula, TP into rate into 4.5 divided by 12. Okay, so substitute the values. That is 24,000 into rate is 10% into 4.5 divided by 12. Calculate it. So the answer will be 900. The answer will be 900. Okay, so in this problem, what we did, we have solved it in various situations where we can find out the interest on drawings. Okay, so if it is, you should remember this. Okay, so if it is beginning of each month,